but we are outcasts. Even so, we keep the tribe's rituals. Otherwise, we might become like the faithless Old Ones, who turned their backs on the goddess. But their wickedness doomed them. To us, were left the splendors of creation. Beasts of air, water, earth, and steel. It is one thing to hunt a beast, another to hunt a machine. You must be humble and respect their power. I will teach you this one day.
I'm here in Bristol, Virginia, and now I'm in Bristol, Tennessee. No.
High Matriarch Tears. What is she doing here? Does she mean to forbid the ritual?
No, off your knees. It's nearly time. And yes, you may speak to me.
You came to bless the name,
Have not 6 months gone by since we entrusted her to you?
but we are outcasts.
You by choice, and she, well... I am a High Matriarch, Rost. I bless whom I choose.
Then you honor us.
Yes, now go, and be ready to declare. Go! Oh, Mother, this child needs a name by which to know her. That your love may warm her life as the rising sun warms all the earth. Speak her name!
Aloy!
Are you seeing it? I'm streaming right now.
Yeah, I see you playing the game. Oh, look at that.
And so
That reminds me of
her name
freaking, what's
is
it called?
Rost.
Emerald City, that guy. You know how they mark themselves up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Doesn't that remind you of
What
that?
have you done? I've blessed the naming of a child.
That's my phone.
Woman, you call that curse a
Okay.
child? What did he tell you about his birth, outcast? Answer!
Only what you asked.
To raise it, yes. We said nothing of love.
Enough.
And you, blessing its name like it was one
I
of the
know my
law
duty to
of the
them.
tribe.
And to you.
I think I have like one person watching me right
I'm
now.
here. And wherever you go,
On Twitch?
I will follow.
What's good? They can hear you. You want to say hi, Kiana?
Hello.
Yeah, it's recording. I think it's recording. Yeah, I have it on. Yeah, it's recording.
Hello, person that's watching.
Hello, person that's watching. I don't know if it's going good or if it's going bad. I don't know.
What do you mean?
Like the audio, if anything sounds good. I think it's good.
It must be.
Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Jamaican here, back at you with another video, and we're playing Horizon Zero Dawn. So let's get right into it.
I dare you to do very hard.
Man, bruh, they always try you, bro. I'm gonna be dying every second.
Right? Yo, this freaking quality though. Do you see her face like up close?
Yeah, the guy was saying that it was some good. I mean, it's decent. Yeah, it's
That
good.
You always like to downplay everything. Oh my god.
Alright, it's so amazing, Kiana.
It is. Look at that shit. She looks way better than like a freaking Sim character or some shit. Like,
Yeah.
look at her face. Look at her freckles.
You're quite the gatherer, aren't you, little boy?
That shit looks really good.
Guys, it's your boy Rich Meekin here, back at you with another. Okay, it's working.
That shit looks good.
I know I could do face cam, but I don't know if they want to see a face cam.
Babe, do what you want to do. What the heck?
I could do a face cam if I wanted to for
Children.
Twitch.
Come with me.
But is he gonna record face cam for YouTube? I don't know.
To be shunned.
Can I add a face cam now? I think it's too late. I already start
Probably.
recording.
Yeah,
I'll do it
probably.
next time.
That boy looking at her like. Look how he's looking at her. He's sizing her. Oh, what just happened?
I have no idea, bro. She just told the boy to come on and leave her alone or something.
Oh man. Oh
What the
damn.
fuck? She just fell.
Oh,
What the
oh
heck?
damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. She's like falling to her death right now.
Is that my computer?
This is my phone. Oh no, she's
No, that's
okay.
that's the PlayStation
Yeah.
that's acting like that.
She's breathing really heavy. Yo, where the hell did she fall to?
No idea.
Down here! Ross!
I guess Ross is that guy that
Damn.
the guy that
He won't hear me.
did that thing on her forehead.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
Dang.
Okay, this game looks really like crisp. Like, look at her face. It even does this thing where it blurs if you go too close.
Wow.
Alright. Is that a rat? Look at that rat. Okay, let's go, guys. We're gonna see what's up with this game right now. I mean, go into the cave. This is a cave right here, yeah? Oh, schmoly.
Looks tight, but I can get through.
Looks tight, but I can get through. Okay. Okay. Ooh. There you go.
This must be a ruin of the metal world. One of the old places.
Crap. Where do I go from here? I guess I'll just go in.
Ross said never go in places like this. But I have to find a way out.
What the heck? I am so lost. Just run! Oh, there we go. No! Dead end. Oh no, stairs. Dang, there's so many bats.
There's something up ahead.
Yeah, let's just run, cause I'm feeling pretty scared right now.
There's something
Oh, what's that?
shiny there.
Look at her eyes. What's that, bruh? Watch, it's gonna shock her. What the heck is that, bro? Is that gonna give her powers? I hope he gives her powers. Dang, can't look. It does that cool thing all over the place.
Ooh. That looks really nice.
Lights. Everywhere.
Lights
How does it do this?
everywhere. Okay, I just got this PlayStation, so I'm not too familiar with the buttons right now. Okay.
A metal door. Closed. Maybe this device I found can help.
Okay, how do I scan the door?
How do I get it open?
Which one of these things are R3? Okay. I think I got it. Or not.
Wow, that looks so futuristic. Use a scan. I used the device to scan the room.
Scan the room, okay.
Yeah, scan the room, yeah. Look at those dark, yeah, look at that thing right there.
There's like a box over there,
Oh, it's on the
maybe.
other room though.
Or maybe it's right here, no?
I mean, maybe, no.
I think I have to go.
Hey, but look at that dark blue thing though over there. Do it again. See those things over there? You have to get to the other side, babe.
Maybe, can I run in this mode? No, I can't. Maybe I have to go. Crap, how do I even get around there? I was thinking of going to that thing out there.
No.
And maybe
You
that
gotta
can.
go around, babe. Go the other way. Go the way you were going, babe.
Oh, no, hold on. Let's try and press some more buttons. Okay, so let's go outside back. See if we can get around to the other side. Yeah, I thought so. That thing probably opens the door. Yeah. So I gotta hold it.
Changed color.
Okay, so let's go back. Let's go back.
The door changed color too. It did it.
Pretty cool. Wait. Let's go down here.
What's that? It's got a device.
You want me to pick it up or something?
Wow.
Babe, try not to make too much noise. I'm recording, okay?
Behind you.
And it's speaking.
Hi! Happy birthday, Isaac! Daddy sure does love his little big man. Look, Daddy can't be there with you and Mom, but we can still have a party, right? Sure we can.
Show me. Show me again.
I can do. He's right behind you. Hi!
She has no idea I'm talking to her.
Daddy sure does love his little big man. Look, Daddy can't be there with you and Mom, but we can still have a party, right? Sure we can.
Happy birthday, Isaac. Daddy sure does love his little big man.
Okay, so let's see where we go from here. Find a way out. Okay. So let's find a way out, guys. Crap. Squeeze through. Let's go over here. Let's go upstairs.
Why did they die here? What happened to them?
Oh crap, somebody's calling you now, my friend.
He found me. Ross found me. Down here.
Come, girl. Take my hand. You don't belong down there. Come. Such places are forbidden, Aloy.
I fell in.
They are of the metal world. What is that on your face?
Nothing.
Did you find it down there?
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Aloy, such things are dangerous.
No!
She's like, you're not having this.
You need to know how to survive in the wild. Come, Aloy. Home now. Starting tomorrow, you will learn to hunt.
Starting tomorrow, you learn to hunt. So let's get it.
I'll be shaking.
Guess she's learning to use the new. Take this, Eli.
Take your bow.
Bo?
And enough muttering to that plaything. We descend to the valley now. Follow.
Bow. Bow?
The wilds can be dangerous, Aloy. You will need to stay close and do as I say.
I know.
Now, you're still scratched up from that fall you took yesterday. So let's start there. Take this medicine pouch. I'll show you how to fill it. See this plant over here? It's called salvebrush. Come, gather its berries in your pouch.
This reminds me of that game I played, like with the,
Now eat the
like, and it was in prehistoric times.
They may taste bitter, but they can save your life. Always keep your pouch full of medicinal berries, flowers, and plants.
Where are we?
This valley is just a part of All Mother's Embrace.
And what?
The Nora tribe watches these lands and keeps out the most dangerous machines.
Berries! Let's eat it. Oh no, I can't eat it. Where do I go now? Am I just following you around, sir?
Find a herd of machines, and I will teach you how to hunt.
Are they dangerous?
So is he following me or am I following? Okay, I'm following him.
Their power must be respected.
Follow
We'll be
us.
behind you.
Can I jump off? Holy shit, yes I can. How do I get back up? Holy crap, I can go all the way down there. How far down can I go? Holy schmoly. I can go all the way down here. Oh wow. Better get your ass back up there, girl. Oh. Crap. Okay. Bad idea. How the hell do I get back up now? Oh man, I have to. I can make this jump. Ah, okay, I did it. Crap. Ross, where'd you go? Don't leave me. Okay. Shit, he's okay. He's just waiting right there.
A machine's coming. Crouch and follow me into the tall grass.
Let's go.
There. Now stay low.
Little one.
No, Aloy. Such machines are called watchers. You must learn to avoid their gaze. If you are to survive in the wilds, I will show you. Listen close and do as I do.
Mechanical robots, bruh.
Wait for it to pass.
Wait for it to pass. Stay still.
Now keep low and follow me across the trail to that tall grass.
The heck is dropping? He's dropping little things.
Oh, another one. Let it pass.
Where is it? Okay. Come here.
Come, back this way. The slower you move, the quieter you'll be. And crouched walking is quieter than upright. Wait for it.
The heck? Wow.
That's the last of them. Let's move on.
Okay, let's go. So we gotta still crouch, bro. We gotta crouch, bro. Okay, no.
You did well. They didn't see or hear you. Now stay close. That herd should be just ahead.
I need that freaking bow and arrow, bro. Like, let me have that bow and arrow, bro. Oh yeah, I'll show you. Ooh.
Who's that?
Ignore him.
But why's he up there?
Sorry if you guys are hearing my chair. It's so squeaky. I need to get a new one.
Smiling at us.
Deb! Get back where you belong! Deb! Where are you?
Ignore him. We are outcasts and he is of the tribe.
Maybe he doesn't like the tribe.
And he is a fool. Come now. Let's find that herd. Follow.
Let's go. Dang, she jumps hard. Water.
See them? These are called striders.
More plants.
Ha! Get!
Ooh, I'm gonna get to ride it.
Why'd you chase them off?
To show you how some machines startle easily if they detect you and run away.
Mmm.
They're best approached by stealth.
Mmm. 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 Berries. 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 Oh crap. He's leaving me. Would I have to get my berries? I have to get my berries. Okay, let's go.
Don't worry. We'll catch up with them further down the valley.
The heck?
You'll see.
So I have to stay by your side the whole entire time.
Now, I want you to find some rocks that fit the cup of your hand.
Why?
Do as I say, Aloy, and gather the rocks.
Okay.
We'll show you how to use them. Those will do. Follow.
The heck? So I already got the rocks? Alright, bet. Let's get it. It's another one. The heck? He's outrunning you, bro. Let's go. Yeah.
There's the herd. All right. It's time to throw some rocks.
But rocks can't hurt machines, right?
No, but they can distract them. Draw them into traps. Like that watcher over there. It must be dealt with, or it will warn the herd and send them running before we get in range.
Warn them. How?
The machines speak to each other, Aloy. Unless they are first silenced. Now you stay here on the ridge. On my signal, throw rocks and draw the watcher over to me. Wait for my signal.
Alright, bet. Bet. Bro, this nigga didn't even tell me how to throw rocks, bro. How do I throw a rock? Okay, aim.
Aloy, throw a rock near me.
Where are you? Bro, where are you?
Throw a rock to draw the watcher towards me.
Where are you, bro? Where is this man? The frick did he go? Oh shit, I think he sees me. Oh, I see him now. What the frick? Why is he coming up here? Oh my god, I'm out.
Aloy, I told you to stay put. You'll have to try again.
Nigga, you he's the one that wanted to go in the effing bush. Oh my god, he's right there. What are you gonna do with that now? Huh?
There. Come, girl, it's safe now.
I'm already coming, nigga. Let's get it.
Harvest a kill so I can teach you how to make arrows.
So we kill them and take their stuff and then do what?
Harvest a kill, Aloy. Pay attention.
Okay, I'm harvesting.
Good. Now, gather stalks of ridgewood from the plants over there.
Okay, I'm harvesting. I'm harvesting. And call this one Yard Yard.
Stalks as arrow shafts.
Yard
Metal
Yard.
shards for arrowheads.
Yard Yard. Yardy, yardy, yardy. Easy na yardy. Yeah. Okay, so L1. What? Ooh.
Good. You'll never run out of arrows if you know how to craft what you need.
Yeah.
Let's put those arrows to use. Follow.
This is the fun part. Oh my god.
Aloy, they heard you. Don't be so noisy this time.
Oh my god.
Let's put those arrows to use.
This man.
Follow.
Oh my effing god.
Aloy,
Okay, let's do this again.
let's put those arrows to use. Follow.
They get so effing worked up, bro.
Here. Stay low in the grass and be quiet. It's time to make your first kill. Strider.
Let's teach her to be a killer.
But even a weak machine can kill a hunter if she's careless. You must study it. Its hide is thick, but there are spots where it is vulnerable. Like its eye. Can you guess another one?
Okay, let's get it. You're just gonna stay still for me to like shoot you, right? What?
Aloy, they heard you.
F it, let's try again. Should I shoot there?
Have a scar on its back. Is that a weakness?
Yes. How did you guess? Good strike!
Okay, what do I do now? Do I shoot it again?
Destroy the eye!
Okay.
You did well today, but you have much to learn. Tomorrow, we train again. What was that?
That boy! The one running the brave trails.
Follow Aloy, quick!
The heck? Okay, let's get it. Come on, girl. What the frick? Come on, man. Come on, man. Gotta run faster than that. Wow. You have to go get yourself effed up. You're effed up now.
I can do nothing. It's only a matter of time before the machines find that boy and kick him to death. But if I shoot, it'll cause a stampede and trample him.
But I can see the paths they take.
Stop telling stories.
I'm not. I can sneak through.
You will not.
Do it, Eli.
Aloy!
Let's get it. I don't know the path they take though. Do I just walk straight?
Oh no. The Watcher saw me.
The heck? Okay. So frick. It says it's gonna reveal a path for me, so where's the path? Huh?
I need to do this slowly and quietly.
Okay, so let's just keep moving forward and see.
Can't let them see me.
Gotta stay quiet. When is that thing gonna move, bro? Like, dip.
Got to be careful. I need to see their paths. Almost there.
Okay, where is this guy that I'm looking for now? Okay, so he's right there. Dip, dip, dip.
There he is.
Where? Okay.
Hey. What? How is this? Shh. Follow me.
Okay, so I'm going back this way.
How do you know to avoid them? How are you doing this?
How are you doing this? You better not get caught, that's all.
How is this possible?
Wait, you're starting over?
It is no plaything.
She got out that hole?
Yeah, it's like that one game we played, like, what's that game called again?
Oh, mother bless that girl.
What, Tomb Raider?
Bless you both.
No, like that game we played with the tigers, and it was like older times and like.
Oh my god.
I just want to.
Boy! Seal your lips.
Okay.
They are outcasts, both. And she is motherless.
Come now. Back to Mother's heart.
The heck? He smacked her right in the head, like, ready to.
Not have spoken to us. It's against tribal law. We'll go home now. Follow.
She's mad now.
I know the way.
Bruh. Somebody smacked her in her shit.
Stay away, no mother.
Oh my god, Count, they were like, stay away, no mother.
What?
And they hit her with a freaking rock.
No, just because she didn't have a mom?
Yeah,
That's creep.
they called her no mother.
Wow. That's
So I can drop my rock, aim for his head, or
Are you
knock the rock
serious?
from his head.
hit that bitch in the head.
Right? I'm gonna hit that nigga in the head, bro. Like, F you!
I'm sorry, man. Hold on.
Oh.
Aloy,
Yeah, hit that idiot in the head.
Lucky. That's about to F your shit, nigga.
still.
Why am I an outcast?
Aloy, this is not the time.
Who was my mother?
Aloy, I've told you before, that's not for us to know. You were just a newborn when the matriarchs brought you to me.
So the matriarchs, they know?
It's not so simple.
But they know.
Aloy, we are outcasts.
So how do I make them tell me?
The matriarchs? There is a way, perhaps.
So tell me.
It would be dangerous.
How?
It would take years of training.
I don't care. How do I do it? Tell me.
The proving. The tribe's rite of passage held every year. Those who pass become braves. But to the one who wins, the matriarchs grant a boon.
Who?
Yes, whatever the winner wants.
Then I'll do it. Whatever it takes,
Whatever it takes.
I'll win the proving.
I see. We'd best get started then. Your training will be hard. And it will take years.
Start training? Yes. Follow.
Damn. Train, girl, train. Oh man, this thing's so funny. I like the story mode though. Like, it's very like interesting, you know. You know Keanu? Yeah, guys, very. Oh crap! You trying to kill a bunny? No, cool. Holy shit! Damn, he's really good. Let me know if you guys want to keep seeing cutscenes. I can just switch it, but it's nice to watch. Go, girl! Watcha! Oh shit, she just dropped and got older. Like, what the frick? Like, yeah, she jumped.
Oh, that's the girl?
Yeah, now she got older. Like, as soon as she freaking landed, she like aged. I know, but I'm just saying.
Yeah, the way you say this is like, wow.
It is.
That's really cool.
Holy shit, she's killing everything now. F you! So my question is, who's building these things?
Exactly, right? Like,
they build each other, I guess? Like, I don't know.
oh, that's her dad.
And he's not even aging. She aged a lot. I mean, he probably got some wrinkles and stuff like that. Eli. Hey, Eli, turn big girl. No, Eli.
Rost? Rost?
Oh, Ross is dead.
Rost?
Ross got old, bro.
2 days before the proving and he goes off without me? He wouldn't do that.
Holy shit. Urgh. Oh shit. Oh shit. How many hours does she have? Like, okay. Okay. What does this do? Oh, I can save. I don't want to save yet. Okay. Let's just get some stuff. Thank you. Wait. Thank you. Lego.
He said we'd go hunting this morning. Why isn't he here?
Damn, she can jump high.
Where's he gone to?
Superboy, 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 Supergirl, Bombard,
He's just a girl.
Supergirl. Oh shit, she can climb too. Supergirl. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, I didn't. Oh, there we go. We found him. We found him.
Aloy, you're here.
Aloy. We're here. Hello. Is everything okay? What the hold up? Good thing I know how to track you. Yeah, let's say that.
When you said we were gonna go hunting, I didn't realize you meant I'd have to track you down.
We must speak. I've been thinking about your training, Aloy. You've learned to hunt, learned to survive. But I fear there's a lesson I failed to teach you. Would you learn it now?
How to fail.
I'll always learn what you have to teach.
There has been some trouble recently. It affords an opportunity to learn this lesson, but it will be dangerous. You must come prepared, or you will die.
Holy shit, I'm gonna die?
The embrace.
Or I gotta come prepared?
Gathered the parts of
Y'all already knew.
Fire arrows. What kind of trouble are we talking about?
Once you have the parts, you will meet me there, at the gate beyond the village of Mother's Heart.
The North Gate? At the edge of the Embrace?
Yes, Now be on your way.
Okay, you know what? Let's just get right to it.
I'll go gather the parts, but I'm also going to pay Karst a visit.
Aloy, that man breaks the law every time he speaks to you.
And I'm glad he does. I want to buy a tripcaster, and no other trader will sell to outcasts.
Stock it with ammunition. You'll find a use for that weapon tonight.
That sounds ominous. Alright, see you at the North Gate.
Super girl, super girl. All right, let's go. We got it. We got 2 places to head to. Ooh, did I just lose some life for that? Okay, no, I did. Oh, I don't know if I jump from there, I'm gonna F myself. Wait, could I have used the zip line?
Well, it's going white.
Okay, let's try that. Can I use the zip line? Ooh, zipping it, boom, but man. All right, let's switch that shit to see the map. All right, so it is almost like that game that I played. I forgot when I remember the name. I'll let you guys know, but it's like that one game that it was in like older times, like dinosaurs type shit.
The Embrace. My whole life I've never been in this valley.
Okay, if I jump from here, I'll make it. I won't die.
2 days. 2 days until I get answers. 2 days, and I'll know who she was.
Dang,
Why I was
this shit's far, bro. Yo, what up, bro?
excuse for that. Alright, time to gather the parts for some fire arrows.
Can I F you up?
I should find a herd.
Are you gonna die? Okay, no. I can't fight him. Let's just go to the checkpoint. I wish there was a faster way to get around. Hopefully I can ride those things soon. Wait. Okay, I'm just checking to see what my... Oh shit. Okay. Damn. This is a heavy hit. Okay. So we got light hit, heavy hit. Yeah. Okay, we're almost there, guys. Oh shit. Food. What's up, piggy man? I'm the piggy man. Damn, piggy, you take long to die, bro. Like, damn. 3 shots. Okay. Oh shit. You know, we don't have time for that shit, bro. We need to... Let's stay out of their way, yeah. See if we can take these rocks over here. Yeah. Oh shit, yeah, that took some life off. Yeah. Yeah, we need to gather some food. Okay, that was pointless. Let's go. Wait. I think there's another destination that I was supposed to get to. Oh, it's right there. I need to kill that thing. What the frig?
Red light means trouble.
I need to chill. I need to chill back here for a second. These things spotted me. But do I need to take them out or what? Okay. No, I don't, actually. Just need to go over here. Only because they were like exclamation signs over their head, I was like, do I got to talk to y'all niggas or what? Wait. Oh, so that was actually, I was supposed to do something over there.
Good thing I'm shunned, or I'd actually have to talk.
This place is huge. Right, one Pitney.
Oh no, an outcast.
You're good. She tried the hell out of me. She was like, "Oh no, an outcast."
Are you
Cursed
serious?
to
Wow.
get a trip caster.
Yeah.
How mean.
Right? What's that? A bird. What the frick? I keep getting confused. Like, where is this place? Like, is there two places I'm supposed to be at? Like, one place is down here. And I think our next place is like up here.
It's 11:15 a.m.
Okay, here we go. This is one of the places.
No one else around. Looks safe to meet. My guess is he'll be waiting for me.
Oh my god, how many places, bro? So I'm right here, right? Crap!
Hey, babe, can you pass me a pair of headphones?
I need to be right here. Okay. Hold on. You want
It
to?
too.
Yeah, do you want to like fix it?
I need to fix it. You just shook it.
Looks nervous.
Okay. So I think this is the dude right here. Let's talk, babe.
Well, an outcast on my doorstep. All mother protect me.
Surprised you saw me the way you keep looking every other direction to make sure no one's watching. Careful there, you'll sprain your neck.
It's always a pain in the neck when you show up, girl, one way or another.
Bro, the lip syncs are off so bad.
Last time I visited, you had a tripcaster available for trade. Still got it?
I do. But you'd need to bring me a scrapper lens. What can I say? Special weapons don't come cheap.
Oh, I can pay. Took down a scrapper not long ago. Stripped out the lens in perfect condition.
I'll be the judge of that. Show me.
Wait, do I have that shit or no? I don't have it, do I? What does a scrapper lens look like?
I thought you wanted a tripcaster. I'm ready to trade when you are.
Bruh. Buy? Equipped? So did I just buy this thing? Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not want to buy it yet. I'm trying to trade, bro. None of these have the word trade next to it. I think I have to kill one of those things.
Now that you've got yourself a tripcaster, practice how to use it someplace else, alright? My life's exciting enough without a bunch of shock wire booby traps to trip over.
Really? Could have fooled me.
Okay, good.
I guess that concludes our business.
Alright. See you around.
Oh, okay. So now we need to go somewhere else. We need to go to... Where's the other... Here. Let's just put a thing right there, so we know where we're going. Let's go. So how do you switch to the tripcaster? How do you switch weapons? I guess we'll figure it out. Berries. More berries. I love finding berries, bro. Like, it's a lot of fun. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Wild girl, wild girl, wild girl, a wild girl. She name here.
Really?
Wild girl, yeah. Wiley.
Explosions and shouts from outside
Hey, the webcam isn't on, right?
No.
Yeah, but you recording still?
Yeah.
How come it doesn't look like it?
Cause I don't have the thing on, or it's there, but I just didn't have the screen running well.
Oh. So why don't you want it to be shown?
It takes up more, like, it makes the computer work harder if I show it.
I mean, did you think it's showing though? You just have it covered?
No.
I think it's showing, but
It's showing, but it's not making the computer work more to show it, you know? Okay, so let's go. Where do we have to go now? Okay, here, down here. Bro, I might take this PS4 back tomorrow, bro. Like, it's making way too much noise.
it's not that serious. I know it's a little bit louder, but at least it's working.
But not even my Xbox isn't that loud. Like, I wish you guys could hear this thing. Like, the last PS4 I had didn't make this much noise. Okay, hold on, guys. We need to get to there. We're almost there. Okay. Wait, why am I not seeing it on the map anymore? Did I make it or something? Yeah, I thought I needed to take some of these guys out over here. What is this? Oh, my medicine thing is full. So how do we... Crap. How do we... Okay. So I guess we just take this thing out right here. Crap, we missed. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's running. Wait, did I need to kill that thing? Yeah, I did. Holy shit.
Just stay out of their way.
Holy shit. How do I kill those things? Like, I want to kill them. Can I just go up to it and just hit it? Like this and like this. I can't run. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, can I hit you? F you. Oh wow. F you. F you. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Like, that thing ran through me like a truck, bruh. It was like, hell no, my friend. I think I was killing them the wrong way, though, like.
There he is. Looks nervous.
Oh my god, I died, so I gotta come all the way back up here. Shit. Wait, so did I get the thing I needed? Okay, I did. To equip the... Okay. That's what I wanted to do, is equip it. There's no weapons, though. Wait. So it seems to me like I need something to make this... What? Hey? Why you can't laugh, sir?
I'm looking at this video of you.
What is it now?
Never mind. Goodbye.
I guess that concludes our...
Okay, guys, so unfortunately we gotta go back down here now. Wait. We can't laugh, someone. Like a laugher. Okay, so place of interest is here. Don't die. Okay, yeah, you effed up. Next time, let's not freaking hit them with a sword. With this sword thing I have right here. We gotta shoot them. Wait, how do I craft some more things? Like, no, I want to craft... Oh. Wait, can I pick up my arrow that I just used?
Whatever they're hunting out there, it doesn't sound easy.
Okay, so I can't pick up my arrows that I just used. Now I need to craft some more arrows. How do I do that? I can't craft anymore. I need more shit. Okay. So now we know what we need to do.
What's she doing in the village?
Wait, maybe we can kill this guy right here. F you! F you!
Look out below!
Okay. Now we just need to go to the checkpoint, kill those shits, and dip. We need to just learn how to ride these things already, bruh.
Hardy little plant. You'll help.
I wanna kill this thing so bad. Okay, we got that. We got that.
I can get out of this.
It's just shit you can't get out of this. Run. Run! chill out here. Let's chill out here. Chill out here. They'll stop searching for you. There we go. Now we need to kill these things. Well, it's somewhat difficult to kill them. Crap. I think they spot me, bruh. Let's throw a rock, right? We're gonna throw a rock right here. Hopefully, one of them, like, notice it. Then we're gonna just F their shit up, bruh. Oh shit. Oh shit. They die really easy though. Yeah, like they die with like 1 or 2 shots, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's find some more. They die so easy. There's no point in you going there and hitting them because you're just gonna get killed. Like, for real, for real. Okay, there's this one over here. I think I need this thing. Okay. And now my pouch is full, so I need to, like, craft some shit. Craft. Where is that? Okay. Okay. What? So I did some shit. I need to use up some of these stuff I have in my pouch, bruh. F you. I hear those things are more feared of us. Or not. Holy shit. They're fast. Oh my god, I almost fell to my death. Yo, bro, can they come up here, bro? You're like, I'm out of here. Okay.
Calm.
I want to F that shit on his back. Oh crap, I'm out of ammo. Crap. I need to craft some more of these things, bro. Okay, there we go. There we go. F you, I'm out of here. The last time that shit caught me, I was dead. Holy shit. Can he catch me up here or no? Oh my god, he can catch me up there. He found his ass up here. Okay, got him. We got him, boys. Okay, I think we got most of what we needed. Better back your ass up, bro. You already know I'm gonna take your ass out. Alright. I think we got it. We got the hang of this game now. Yeah.
Now they're hunting me.
Okay, so let's just get to some higher ground. Okay. Holy shit. Effed up. Okay, let's just chill right here. Figure out where we gotta go. So, we got everything we needed done. We just need to go back to that one dude that we freaking mother's home. No, I think we need to craft this thing, bro. Yeah, we need to craft this other thing. No, not that. The in here. No modification available. Oh my gosh, Kiana, you're being mad loud.
I didn't mean to, so delay.
There's something I need to do. Here we go. We crafted the fire arrows. And then I gotta craft this thing. So we do have the thing then to do it. We just need to like equip it basically. Equipped it. Okay.
I've got what I need. Time to meet Rost at the North Gate.
Okay, so I do what I need to do. I need to just dip. Dip. Dip like a dipper. Holy shit. I know that shit's gonna wanna be chasing me now. Bro, those things are crazy, bro. Wait, where do I need to go again? That way? No. So this is where I need to be going. Let's get some food. I wonder if I could hit that with a light hit. Or it's just gonna run. Can I catch it and hit it? I think. Oh, I can. Okay.
There he is.
Let's get it. Okay, let's save it. Let's do a quick save. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, guys.
You have the fire arrows.
I do. Those explosions and shouts beyond the embrace. Is that the trouble you were talking about?
You will know soon enough. Until then, we wait for dark.
Wait for dark.
Okay.
I saw Karst and got that tripcaster I was talking about.
I hate to think what that outlawed trader charged for a weapon of that make.
It wasn't cheap, but the caster is worth it.
Perhaps. You'll know it's worth soon enough.
Alright. Is something bothering you, bro? Is something bothering you?
I'm fine.
Alright. Alright, I guess I'll just get some rest then.
Before dark, I guess I'll get some rest.
Good idea. There'll be no time for sleep tonight.
Alright, bet. So what's the next thing we need to do? Get some rest then. Where's the house? Is this my bed right here? Or not. That's not my bed. It's not my bed. Alright. Let's see. Where else we gotta go? I'll go up here? No. No. Okay. Rest at a campfire. This is a campfire, so how do I rest? Do I save to rest the game? Okay, so we gotta save the rest, okay.
Opening a gate for an outcast?
Some who are shunned reap honor from disgrace.
So much for tribal law.
I spoke to no one, and now we must both keep silent.
My theory? What are you talking about? About having the thing?
Yeah, it's right there, Jermaine, but it's just not showing you, you know what I mean?
Kiana, it does, Kiana, I can't, it is playing, but it's not playing in the background if I have this here. It's not, because I could turn it off from here too. You could disable the preview. Yeah, but I just click here because it's easier. Okay. Okay guys, Kiana just wanted to know if my Elgato... What? She just wanted to know if I'm having the preview thing there, it's gonna be making my computer run more, and I was like, nah, it's straight, bro.
What happened to it?
Yeah.
That's one.
Sweet machine. I'll watch your carcass. I'll harvest the parts.
Watch your surroundings.
Alright, so let's go down here. Wait, what do I have to do? Follow the path, okay. Follow the path. So Kiana, do you think Nicki Minaj is gonna come back? Holy shit. You told me to follow the path, bro, and now look where it got me.
I think she's playing it off like she's not gonna entertain it, but really she is though. She is gonna come back.
Whatever that thing did to me, it effed me up big time. F you. Kiana, could you be any more noisy?
I need to go to bed soon.
They want me to. This machine.
Okay, so we're just gonna craft some more of these. I'll be there in a second. Just gonna craft some more of these things right here. Let's see how long we've been playing, guys, because I gotta game soon. Yeah, we can play for like 10 more minutes and we're gonna dip.
How many were there?
Just watch. I'm gonna hear all the noise you're making in the background when I'm editing this.
I brought you here to do that.
What the frig is going on? Sabretooth? Sabretooth?
Huge. How do you defeat it?
That will be for you to decide. This hunt is yours to make, Aloy. Yours alone. No matter what happens, I will not intervene. You understand? You are on your own.
Alright. Let's get it.
I should stay out of sight. I can use the tall grass to approach. Okay, let's see. Where can I place my traps?
So how do I equip the Tripcaster? Bro, I'm tight. It's not here. Is this it? Huh.
You're going down. It saw me.
Stop running like a runner.
I should scan it. See what that reveals.
This thing is so confused. He has no idea where I'm at. F you. Oh shit. He's mad. Holy shit. Run, nigga. Holy shit. I better get out of here. Bruh, don't let that shit see you, bruh, or else you're pretty much dead. But we're gonna kill it before we go, though. We're gonna kill it and dip.
I should stay out of sight.
Okay, let's get it, guys. Get it.
Okay, let's see. Where can I place my traps?
Alright. Traps. Type of traps? You ain't got no effing traps, nigga.
It saw me.
Its thing is under his belly. So how do I even get to that?
Scan it. See what that reveals.
So we're gonna need some fire ones now. Yeah, burn, baby, burn. I'm trying to think. She was talking about setting traps. I don't know what traps it wants me to set. I'm not in range of hitting this thing. Let's figure out how to activate that Tripcaster thing. Okay, so I think it's equipped now. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it, guys. I'm up here, mommy.
They go on forever.
Oh, let's use the rocks and distract it. Oh my effing god. Oh my god, how am I gonna get away from this thing now? Holy shit! You better like do some hiding or some shit, bitch. Oh my effing god, bro. How do I get away from this thing? I'm so tight. How do I effing get away though? Oh my effing. Bruh. Bro, I need to get away from this thing, bro. Oh my god, this thing is so annoying, bro. I need some way of just staying.
You're scared.
Freaking shit, that was hard. So I need to kill this thing, but I have no idea how.
Can stop Denzio.
His weakness is fire. So the tripcaster won't even do it anything. Yeah, that's not gonna do anything. You need to equip that freaking the fire thing. What's this? Wait, can I put them in a slot? Like, there we go. Wow, so I hit it, right? And then it comes for me like a mother effer. So how do I hide now?
Low and quiet does it.
Shit. I had a clean shot of his belly just now, bruh. How do I? Oh my god, did I just throw a rock down here?
Babe, how does this look?
Looks good, man.
for the interview?
I'm trying to think how I'm gonna get over to this thing without awakening it. Holy shit. Effed up. Holy shit. Holy shit, effed up. Effed up. Freaking climb, B. Oh, it's almost dead. How is his life so low?
It'd be fascinating if they weren't looking for me.
Die! Finally! Whew!
Why did I bring you here?
Not to answer questions.
Aloy.
Survival requires perfection. It was a test to hone my skills against a dangerous new machine.
Follow. These are Nora hunting units. Those were protected. If you hadn't destroyed the Sawtooth, how many Braves might it have killed or injured tomorrow? Lesson lives within the question, Aloy. For years, you've trained to win the Proving, but only for yourself. As a Brave, it will be your duty to fight for your tribe.
My tribe? You said I wouldn't need it.
But I never said the tribe wouldn't need you. The strength to stand alone, Aloy, is the strength to make a stand. To serve a purpose greater than yourself. That is the lesson you must learn. And remember it after the Proving and after I'm gone. We're finished here. Follow.
Follow. We're finished here. Follow. Kiana, we're finished here. Follow. Follow.
Dawn has passed. This will be your last day in the Embrace as an outcast. Use the time to set your mind on the challenges before you. Time for you.
Excuse me. Follow.
Waiting for you along the way.
I understand the final lesson, Rust. But if I'm going to stand for something, it'll have to be something I believe in.
I hope you find it, Eddie. I hope you do.
Almost done. Just...
I'll go back to the cabin with you.
I'm not heading there just yet. I have other plans.
Oh, such as?
I'll be waiting for you when it is time.
Alright.
I'll see you at Mother's Heart then.
You will.
Just like, ugh. Just give me a second, B.
I didn't even say anything to you, so...
Okay. So I think
Yourself a second, B.
we gotta just go back to the thing and save, and then we're done for the day. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm enjoying this. I'm still playing what's it called again? The frick? Okay, we're still playing For Honor. We just gave it a break and we're gonna run this up for a little bit too. So let me know what you guys think about this gameplay. It's been your boy Epic. We out.